Oh, hi. I just started recording this from my phone. What's up, everybody? My name is Nate Killian, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your smartphone into an external monitor for your Sony cameras for a whopping total of $0. So let's get to it. So if you ever watched my video on how to make a short film or a skit by yourself, you'll probably remember that I mentioned I really wanted an external monitor. Reason being is if you're like me, you run into this issue often. When you're filming by yourself without an external monitor, over and over again, you'll have to start and stop your clip just to see if you got the framing right, the positioning right, the lighting right, etc. So I did some research, and now we're here. So first step, open up the App Store and type in Imaging Edge Mobile and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. It's gonna ask you a few questions like if you're a photographer or a videographer, is this your job or is this a hobby? You can just click any of those and then move on. Next, it's gonna ask you to sign in, but you can just skip this step. One thing you are gonna have to do is allow the app to have access to your Bluetooth, so make sure that's turned on. Now let's hop over to our camera. First, go into your Sony camera settings and go to Network. Scroll down and click on Control with Smartphone, then click Connection. This will bring up the QR code. Then go back to the app, click Add New Camera, and click Scan QR Code. You also might have to have your phone connected to the Wi-Fi. I just noticed that when my phone wasn't connected to the Wi-Fi, it didn't work. That might just be a me problem, but I'm just throwing it out there. But if you just did all those steps correctly and you just scanned the QR code, you should now be able to use your phone or tablet as an external monitor. From the app, you can control your shutter speed, your ISO, your f-stop, your white balance, and you can start and stop recording from the app. Now you'll notice that the app might get a little glitchy when you're watching from your phone, but it is a $0 app. I don't really expect it to be the highest quality thing in the world. If you want something better, buy an external monitor? To me, this app is useful when I'm filming things like this. I can see my framing and my positioning, and I can just start filming. I don't have to start a clip and check it to make sure everything's right. I can just see it from my phone and start filming. Now, when I checked the Sony website, it did say that this works for majority of Sony cameras. Some just have more restrictions than others. Well, there you go, guys. You can now start using your smartphone as an external monitor, and you spent a total of $0. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up or leave something in the comments, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you can see all the videos that I upload in the future, and it is super appreciated. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And now I'm going to stop recording from my external monitor.